Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia 3210 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So as you can see, this device blacks out a little bit too fast for my liking, so let's change it. Let me quickly unblock it, and now we have to open the menu, so just press this middle button, go down and left to find the settings, press select, so the middle button again, press system. Select, but choose the system, go to the backlight, select, and here under the brightness we've got the timeout. Let's press select. As you can see, currently it is set on the 20 seconds, but you can set even 10 seconds, and the longest option is 2 minutes, which is at the very bottom of the list. So all you have to do is to mark the option you'd like to use, and I will choose 60 seconds, so just press this middle button to select, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will black out after 60 seconds of inactivity. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.